how to open a trading account with a broker. So what is a broker? A broker provides a platform for us to conduct our trading activities digitally. And examples of broker that I personally use is OctaFX and also Hot Forex Markets. Now let me show you how to open a trading account with OctaFX. Alright guys, now I will be showing you how to open up a trading account. First and foremost, just search OctaFX in your web browser. So please click on the link that shows octafx.com and you will be directed to OctaFX official website here. Okay, so simply just press on sign up. And here you guys can key in your email and also create a password so that you guys can immediately log in and sign up your account. So then they will ask you to proceed on checking your email, where you would have to verify your email address. Alright, so in your mail, you will see an email from OctaFX, and it's just as simple as clicking confirm to verify your email address. Alright, so moving on, they will need a few of your details so that you guys can proceed on opening up your account. So first, just enter in your first name and also your last name. Make sure to click on your country of address. So for me, I am currently in Malaysia, so I click on Malaysia, and also enter in your phone number and date of birth. And they will ask you a simple question of your experience in trading. So if you do have any experience, you can just click on yes. If you guys really are beginners with zero knowledge, just proceed on pressing no, and then you can click on continue. Alright, so here they will ask to create your first trading account, and I would suggest to just stick with a standard account and press on create account. Alright, so now you can see your account is ready. So the next step that you have to do is to deposit into your trading account. Alright guys, so with depositing, as you guys can see here with OctaFX, there are many options on how you can deposit. Alright, so the most easiest way is to just use your instant bank transfers. There's FBX, that's Dogecoin, Litecoin, Tether, Visa, Bitcoin, Skrill, Neteller. So this may vary depending on your country of residence as well. So just click on whatever that is most convenient for you. So for example, once I've already selected, I can immediately key in how much I do want to deposit. For example, 10,000 ringgit. Click on continue. And here they will also show you an option if you guys do want to click on the bonus that OctaFX does provide. Select the bank of choice. And here you can see this is the final check on just verifying the amount that you guys do want to deposit. And you can also see the amount in US dollar, which is $2,096, and just click on make a deposit. So here it's just very simple. Key in your username and password, log in, and then also verify through your bank account to deposit 10,000 ringgit in your OctaFX. Okay, so next is on a withdrawal process. So once you have deposit, once you guys have started trading, how do you withdraw your money? So here you can see an option of withdraw. Okay, so firstly, here you can see it stated that you need to verify your profile to withdraw on funds. So let's proceed on verifying your account first. So the next step that you have to do is to verify your account with a broker. Why is this important? So this is very, very important for your own safety as well, so that nobody else is using on to your identity when opening up a broker account. So it's just as simple as uploading your ID. Okay, they will also ask you to upload a front side, okay, of your ID right here, and this is where you can immediately request and just submit your verification request here. Once you guys have, it may take just a short period of time for them to verify, and you will receive an email stating that your account is verified.